Lily lived in a village nestled between rolling hills. The houses were small and cozy, with gardens bursting with flowers. Lily had rosy cheeks and bright eyes. She loved animals. Lily had a secret. She could talk to them.
Good morning, Blackbird.
She'd chirp, skipping past. The blackbird would tip his head and sing a happy tune in reply. Lily understood every word.
Looking for worms, are we?
She'd giggle. Lily knew everyone in the village and all its animal inhabitants. One sunny afternoon, Lily skipped towards the meadow. Butterflies danced among the wildflowers. As she skipped, Lily heard a sound.
Meow.
A tiny voice cried. It came from beneath a dandelion puff. Lily bent down. A tiny kitten with fur as white as snow looked up at her with scared eyes.
Oh, little one, you're all alone.
The kitten rubbed against her hand and purred.
Don't worry, I'll find you a home.
Lily carried the kitten through the village. She knocked on doors, her heart full of hope.
Excuse me, could you give this kitten a home?
She asked Mrs. Jenkins, who loved birds. Mrs. Jenkins shook her head.
Oh dear no, he might chase my birds.
Lily asked Farmer Giles, who had a barn full of animals.
He's very small. Might get stepped on in the barn.
Lily's heart drooped a little with each refusal. But she wouldn't give up. She had promised the kitten. Lily sat on the edge of the village square, the kitten nestled in her lap. She stroked his soft fur.
Don't worry, we'll find you a home, I promise.
Just then, old Thomas, who lived at the end of the lane, walked by. He stopped and smiled at the kitten.
What a fine fellow, he chuckled.
Lily's eyes widened.
He needs a home, she said hopefully.
Old Thomas stroked the kitten's head gently.
So he does, he agreed, and I think I have just the place.
Old Thomas's cottage was small but cozy. He had a rocking chair by the fireplace, perfect for a kitten to curl up on. Lily watched as the kitten, now named Whiskers, explored his new home. He chased dust bunnies, pounced on sunbeams, and purred with contentment.
Thank you, she whispered to old Thomas. You've given him a wonderful home.
Old Thomas smiled.
He's given me something too, he said, his eyes twinkling. A friend.
The villagers had watched Lily. They saw her kindness and how hard she tried to help the lost kitten. They realized that even the smallest act of kindness could make a big difference. From that day on, they started noticing those in need, both people and animals. They learned from Lily that a little kindness, like a tiny seed, could blossom into something truly special. And Lily? She continued to be a friend to all, her heart as big as the meadow filled with wildflowers.
Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you want any special story, then leave a